Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, it's been a hot minute. I know I've been gone for too long, but I am back now, as you can probably tell. Please excuse my hair. We're all being quarantined to stay home because of this deadly virus going around, and it's affecting the whole universe at large. And my heart, thoughts and prayers goes to those people who are affected by this virus, and I hope the social authorities are doing something regarding this virus, because it's literally just taking over the entire world. This has affected so many operations and businesses. So yeah, we'll all be quarantined to stay home. Please stay home, practice social and physical distance, always wash your hands, and we will fight and get through this very soon. I know it's shaking the whole world right now, but I know we're gonna get through this very soon. So today's look is about pretty much just getting ready and not going anywhere. Basically, I'm just literally like bored, so I just thought to just sit down and just do my makeup. I didn't do my foundation on here because I feel like it takes like forever, so I will list everything I use for my face down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. So I already done my base. I just thought to do it off camera as it takes a longer time to do, but an updated foundation routine is gonna be up very soon. Just keep an eye on that. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start now with my eye. I'm just going through the pigments that I have, and I was quite drawn to this pigment right here, and it's called Kaleidoscope by Makeup Geek. I think this is one of the dual chrome collection. So I've got a few of the pigments, but I'm quite drawn to this Kaleidoscope here. It reflects so many colors and I'm so drawn to it right now. So I'm just gonna work on that area to go with the pigment. I'm just gonna start now with my shadow. So the very first color I'm gonna be using is not an eyeshadow, but it can pass off as an eyeshadow. This is Copper Brown by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a contour palette, but I quite like it as an eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna use that as my transition color. It's very warm. I just love the color. I just love the way it looks on my skin tone. In the shadow with the Morphe E22. The next color I'm going to be using now is Caramel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just going to apply that in the areas I applied the first color. Right now I really don't know if this is going to be smoky, but we'll see. The next color I'm going to be using now is Gingerbread by Color Drain. I'm just going to apply that also as a transition color. I'm just building the transition shade because they're all in the same family, but I love when they have like different tones and then different texture to them. I just want to build up that transition color basically. So now the next color I'm going to be applying is Curfew by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to be applying that with the Igma. I'm going to be applying that with the Sigma E25 brush. I'm just going to apply this on my crease. I'm going to start with my outer V and then blend it into my crease. I just want to give my crease some dimension, so that's why I'm applying this first on the outer V and then blending it into my crease. That way I have more control and they're all blended. I think this is all getting all smoky right now. We'll live. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. This is by Beauty Bay. This is the EN Bright Matte 9 color palette. I'm gonna use this purple right here. It's quite dark and it's a true purple color, so I'm just gonna apply this on the outer V, and then whatever is left I blend into the crease. My eyelid, I'm applying the Makeup Geek dual chrome loose eyeshadow in the shade Kaleidoscope. This is the shade I'm going right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's beautiful. It's got different colors. You're seeing it's beautiful. This shadow is sickening. I don't know, I think my camera is not doing this color justice, but this color is beautiful in person. Like, oh, I'm just gonna go back in again with this purple shadow and just blend where the two colors meet. Just gonna blend that in. Yep, so now that we have that on, I'm just gonna use the very first color I used before, which is the copper brown. I'm just gonna use that on my lower lash line. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna apply my false lashes. These are the E1. These are the E1 lashes. So I'm using the duo lash glue to apply my lashes. Okay, so I just applied my lashes and they're still drying. Sorry if you can still see the glue, that's because they're still drying. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna line my waterline. I'm gonna use this nude liner by Revlon. So I just line my waterline with this Revlon Scandalized eyeliner in the shade nude. The next thing I'm gonna do now is to apply some colors into my inner corners. I'm gonna be using this Grwm Dazzle Dust, and this is the number 249. It's just a white pigment. So now that I have that on, I'm just gonna spray my face with the bodescu facial spray.